My name's Liam. I work here at Donna's Outdoor Living. I'm the hardscape foreman. On this job, it's mainly been a roughly 5,000 square foot paver patio made out of coral pavers from Miami, Florida. The reason this customer wanted these because it stays cool, never gets hot on your feet. It can be 120 and you'll still be cold. We've installed the patio, we've installed channel drains along multiple parts of the patio. We're doing the coping around the pool. The landscaping all around, tropical plants, and a fire pit installed outside the patio.